closing sales transactions lesson from solving a Rubik's Cube. Number 2, the Rubik's Cube first layer, aligning white corners, symbolize aligning interests. Aligning the client's needs with the value your product offers. This step ensures that your solution fits their situation. The first layer set the tone for collaboration and mutual understanding, which are critical for moving forward. Alignment is key. Progress is easier when all parties are on the same page. You can use visuals such as floor plan or community maps to help client envision how the property align with their lifestyle. This creates a deeper emotional connection. Example, you present a house package tailored to the client's family size and budget, emphasizing features like proximity to schools, a safe community, and affordability, showing how it meets their lifestyle goals.